Good morning everyone. Myself Dinesh Mishra from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Welcome back to in this class. Today I am going to discuss about the previous year question paper which is based on class 10 science 2019. In the previous lecture we have already discussed about the previous year question paper of class 10 science 2019. In this video we will discuss about the remaining question of previous year question paper of class 10 science 2019. So the first question in this video, that is the question number 20. How will you infer with the help of an experiment that the same current flows through every part of a circuit containing 3 resistors in series connected to battery? And the second part of this question is that consider the given circuit and find the current flowing in the circuit and potential difference across the 15 omega resistors when the circuit is closed. So let us start the first part of question number 20. How will you infer with the help of an experiment that the same current flows through every part of a circuit containing 3 resistors in series connected to a battery? So let us the 3 resistors, let us 3 resistors, 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3. R1, R2 and R3 are connected in the series combination and also connected to the battery and ammeter. So the circuit diagram here, the 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3. R1, R2 and R3. There are 3 resistors are connected into it and also connected to battery and ammeter. So here is the also connected to ammeter and battery. That is the battery and key. That is the here is the circuit and there are 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3 and also connected to ammeter and battery and key. Key closed the current flowing through the resistors. Now let us take the reading of an ammeter. If the ammeter, the position of the ammeter change anywhere between the 2 resistors, now let us note down the ammeter. The current of ammeter will be same when the position of the ammeter whenever change in between the resistors. So the combination of the resistors R1, R2 and R3, that is the series combination. According to the series combination, the current flowing through resistors will be same and the potential difference also different in every resistor and current will be same if the combination of the resistance is series combination. So the next part of this question is consider the given circuit. Next part of this question is consider the given circuit and find the current flowing in the circuit and potential difference across the 15 omega resistor when the circuit is closed. So now here is the 3 resistors 5 omega, 10 omega and 15 omega. The combination of this resistor in the series combination where the equivalent resistance of this resistor is R1, R2 and R3. यानी equivalent resistance in this circuit are equal to R1, R2 plus R3. So according to this question, the equivalent resistance of here 5 ohms, that is the 5 ohms, 10 ohms and 15 ohms. They are the resistors and also connected in the series combination. So equivalent resistance of this combination is R equal to 5 omega plus 10 omega plus 15 omega. So here the equivalent resistance is 30 omega in the circuit. So here the potential difference in this circuit, potential difference across in this circuit is 30 volt. So here the potential difference is 30 volt. Potential difference means 30 volt. So here is the current flowing in this circuit, that is according to the Ohm's law. According to the Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. According to Ohm's law, the current flowing in the circuit, potential difference by resistance. So here is the 5 omega, 10 omega and 15 omega are also connected in series combination. So the equivalent resistance in this circuit is 30 omega and the potential difference in this circuit is also given, that is the 30 volt. So here is the find the electric current. So according to the Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. Then put the value of the potential difference and resistance. So that is the 30 omega by 30 omega. So here is the 30 is 1 ampere. So here is the current flowing in this circuit is that 1 ampere. 1 ampere means the current flowing through the across 5 omega resistors. 1 ampere current flowing across through the 10 omega resistors. 1 ampere and current flowing across through the 15 omega resistor, that is the 1 ampere. So here is the potential difference. According to this question, what is the potential difference across through the 15 omega resistors? So now let us see the potential difference across through the 15 omega resistor. It is clear that the current flowing through 5 omega, 10 omega and 15 omega resistors will be same. That is the electric current 1 ampere. So here is the potential difference across through the 15 omega resistors, that is the V equal to I into R3. According to the condition of the series combination, if the combination of resistors in the circuit in the series combination, the current will be same and potential difference also will be different in every resistor. So here the potential difference across through the 15 omega resistors. So V3 equal to I into R3. I, that is the electric current, that is the 1 ampere. So here is the find the value of potential difference across through the 15 omega resistor, that is the V3 equal to I is 1 ampere, 1 into, that is the 15 omega resistor. Then V3 equal to 15 omega, that is the 1 into 50, that is the 50 volt. So here the potential difference V3 equal to 15 volt. According to this question, current flowing through in the circuit potential difference across the 15 omega resistor. So here is the potential difference. Find the potential difference across the 15 omega resistor. That is the 15 volt. Here is the VV equal to 50 volt. So now the next question here. Next question. Three resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel and combination is connected to a battery, ammeter, voltmeter and key. Draw suitable circuit diagram and obtain the expression for the equivalent resistance of the combination of the resistor. So here according to this question, suppose that R1, R2 and R3, three resistors connected in the parallel combination. So here is the three resistors R1, R2, and R3. R1, R2 and R3. That is the resistance are connected to the parallel combination R1, R2 and R3. So here is the three resistors R1, R2 and R3, that is the connected in the parallel combination and also connected to the voltmeter and the battery and key. So here the V volt battery also applied here across the end of the combination. So now let us start from the according to the Ohm's law, that is the I equal to V by R. So here is the R1, R2 and R3, that is the parallel combination in this circuit. The current I flows through here, positive terminal to negative terminal. So here is the R1, R2 and R3, that is the three resistors are combined in the parallel combination. So current I flows through here, then the current will be divided in the three directions. That is the first I1, and I1 current flows through across to the R1 resistors, and current I2 flows across to the R2, and I3 flows across to the R3. So here according to the Ohm's law, the electric current equal to V by R, means potential difference by resistance. So here is find the electric current across the resistors R1. So here is the I1 equal to the potential difference V volt, then I1 equal to V by R1. That is the first equation. Here is the I2. Current I2 flows across to the R2 resistors. So here is the potential current I2 equal to I2. The potential difference will be same here. In this circuit, the combination of three resistors will be parallel combination. So current, the potential difference will be same here, and current also in the different in every resistor. So here the R2 resistors, according to the Ohm's law, the current flowing through R2 resistors here I2 equal to V by R2. That is the second equation. Now here the current I3 equal to V by R3. That is the third equation. So here the net current in this circuit is I, and also the net current distributed in the three path I1, I2 and I3. So net current equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Means net current in this circuit will also equal to the every current sum of the I1, I2 and I3. That is the net current I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So here the put the value of I1, I2 and I3 in this equation. Then I equal to I1 V by R1 plus next term equation 2 V I2 equal to V by R2, then I2 equal to V by R2, and from the equation third the current I3 equal to V by R3. So here is the net current I, the potential difference is V and net current I, then net current I equal to, if the combined resistance is R, then net current in this circuit is V by R. So here is the net current V by R and the I1, I2 and I3. The sum of three current I1 plus I2 plus I3 equal to the net current I. So put the value of net current I equal to V by R. So put the value of I equal to V by R in the equation 4. So here is the I equal to V by R, then V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So here is the V by R equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So here the potential difference will be same. Then the common, then V bracket 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So here the V by R equal to V V 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So here the potential difference, both sides will be same, the cancel. So 1 by R equal to, then 1 by R equal to 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Then 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So here the net are equivalent resistors in this circuit. 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So here is the R1, R2 and R3. They are the three resistors used in the circuit and also connected in the parallel combination. So here is the equivalent resistance in the given circuit, that is the 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, means the reciprocal of the given resistors R1, R2 and R3, sum of the reciprocal of the given resistors in this circuit is also equal to the equivalent resistance in this circuit. So here the equivalent resistance is capital R. So the equivalent resistance equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Now let us start the next question in this video. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the following network. So here is the calculation.